Hey, what's up, everybody? We just finished the Sheep Creek Trail to Lytle Creek Trail. I think the road numbers are 3 and as in Nora 31. I'm doing this little intro at the very end of the trail, but I'll put it at the beginning. So if you're tuning in right now, I added a bunch of little clips from different parts of the trail so you can get an idea of what it's like. Super easy. I had it in 4 high, but really you can do this no problem in 2-wheel drive. It has a little bit of rocks, ruts, but honestly it's very chill fire road. That's basically what it is, just a fire road. There's a couple parts that have some mud. As you can see, got the Jeep nice and dirty, but overall fun little trail. I recommend it if you're just trying to get away for a little bit. It took me probably about 2.5 hours. It's just a very chill pace. There's a campground at the very top of it. It's only one campground, or one campsite, and it's very small. But other than that, this is a fun little trail, and hope you enjoy the video.
Your day.